Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic download and install app updates in your Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. So go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store. If you're using a Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can find it for those pinned applications, or you can simply search for it and you'll find the Microsoft Store. So go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store. Now, once the Microsoft Store application is open, on the upper right hand side, if you're signed in, you will see the icon for the profile. It can say sign in, or it will show you your profile. It doesn't matter, just simply click on it and you will find settings. You want to click on settings. Now at the top there, you will see the app updates, and it says automatically download and install app updates. Update for system components are controlled by Windows Update. So this is something to note. So all you have to do now, guys, is just simply toggle this on, and once you turn this on, this will manage the automatic updates for those applications for you. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now additionally, if you want to have notifications for those installation, you can have that turned on so you'll be notified. Otherwise, if you don't want that, then you can just simply toggle it off and have those updates run in the background. But it's really up to you here. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.